Welcome back. If you already have an existing account at canva.com, you can use that account for these purposes. If you don't, you can start a free account with canva.com in order to create some of the artifacts you're going to need for your store. So we're now going to be creating our banner. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the search bar inside of Canva. And you can see if you start by typing in Etsy, you do have artifacts available to use inside of Canva. If you hover over the Etsy shop cover, you'll see that they will start with the size of 1200 by 300 pixels, which is what we need. We are going to click that banner. Now what you're seeing is that Canva has some pre-designed templates that you can use in order to alter to make your own banner. Now you might find that these are going to be a little limited. However, you can work with Canva in order to change them to suit what it is that you're trying to do. Now, obviously, if you have a paid account, you'll have more options available, but typically you can take the options that Canva gives you just with the free version. You can start to work with some of the options. For example, if we were to choose this option right at the top, what that would do is that would bring you into a Canva workspace with that actual banner. And when you place your cursor on top of the banner, you're going to start to see some of the elements available. For example, you'll see some of the text available in this particular banner. If you were to double click on that text, what you can do is you can then write in your own information in the same font as the existing banner. What you can then do is you can then change some of the information. And you can even add in elements to the banner that you have. Now this is not obviously a full-blown tutorial on the use of Canva. What's most important is that you know that you can very quickly come in, change the look of your store with a banner that has the right size and dimensions. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click this download button and we're going to download this banner to our hard drive. That means now we can come back to our Etsy store and we can add in the image that we just created. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click this add an image button. We're then going to grab the image that we created. We're going to click open. And then this is going to now be our banner that we just created inside of Canva, and this will headline our store. Once you have that banner in, you're going to want to come down to the bottom and click the save button. Once you do that, then your banner will then be available on your shop. You can view your shop as your customer will see it by clicking the view button. You'll then see your banner available inside of Etsy. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.